Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, thank you for tuning in. So for today's video, I'm just gonna keep it short. I will do a review on this Govee Smart Mini Air Purifier. So the main reason I had gotten this one is because it is smart and Wi-Fi compatible, which means I can set it up with my Alexa and integrate it with my routines. This is going to be a big plus also for my health since I do have pets and I do have major allergy problems. But hopefully with this video, the goal is to help somebody who is also looking for an air purifier, and maybe you're looking for this specific one. So hopefully this helps someone out and gives you some valuable information. So let's get started with the review. So as you can see right here, we have the mini smart air purifier wrapped up. I already opened the box, so let's take it out the packaging. All right. So as you can see, it's not too big, which is what was expected. They didn't want too much of a big purifier. Basically the size of my forearm. Take this off. So we're gonna flip it around and take out the power cable and whatnot. To open it, you just have to twist it to the left and push up. So right here, have the power cable. And then over here is the filter. So they actually gave a couple of aroma pads for this, which I will show you right now. But basically we want to put the filter back on, place the top in, twist it to... Alright. So this aroma filter I was just talking about is also an essential oil. So basically you just gotta push the top out, and then we get a little container for you to drop a couple of drops of essential oil in there to make the room smell good. So here it is, pretty straightforward. So pretty simple features on this air purifier. So we have our start button, which will power the device on. It will automatically start in mode, and the Wi-Fi is already on and enabled. So at this point, if you want to download the Govee app and just add the device to your phone, and then from there you will automatically have it connected to Alexa as long as you have the Alexa on your phone. But very simple, very straightforward when it comes to connecting it to the app and integrating it with Alexa. Alexa's going to automatically recognize it, so you can say turn the air purifier on or turn it off, turn the mode to high, turn it to low, so it recognizes all those commands. So you press the power button again, and it is on low mode. You press it again, and it goes to high mode. It's only low mode and high mode, so we only have 2 speeds on this air purifier. You press it one more time, and this is actually a custom auto mode. I haven't messed around with it too much, but I'm assuming you can set it to your own settings and customize it to however you like. If the filter does get expired, these lights will flash red. There's a filter light at the top, and that will flash red. Alright, now I'm just gonna do a short demonstration with Alexa. So Alexa, turn on the air purifier. So it turns it on to custom mode. I don't have anything set up in custom mode, but it still turns it on to the max speed. So if we want to change the settings or the modes, we just ask Alexa. Alexa, turn the air purifier to low. So as you can see, one line lit up, meaning it's on low mode. Alexa, turn the purifier to high mode. And as you can see, the double line lit up, indicating that high mode is activated. So you can say it in any order. As long as you have the words air purifier and the word low and high, Alexa should be able to recognize it in any sentence combination, and it should be able to activate and work without any issue. Alright, so that does it for the review. Basically, in a nutshell, this is a very small, compact, powerful air purifier. Govee is a very reputable brand, so I am not worried honestly about this breaking or malfunctioning down the road. They have a very strong reputation, so that is a big plus. So yeah, basically air purifier, very beneficial to the health as well. If you have any allergies to pet hair, to dust, this will help a lot. As always, I will leave the link in the description on where I got this. Right now, this is on Amazon for actually $32 because they are having a spring sale. Originally, the original price is, I believe, $59.99. And the other smart air purifiers that are Wi-Fi compatible, meaning you can integrate it with your smart home like Alexa, Google Assistant, are around $70 to $80. So $32, this was a bargain. So if you see this video this week and you're able to get in time for the Amazon Spring Day sale, grab your hands on one of these. Thanks everyone for tuning in, and as always, if this video helped you out, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you with the next project.